you want to learn how to pronounce the letters and sounds of the Spanish alphabet? You've come to the right place. Hey everyone, I'm your host Danae, and in this video, our teacher Luis is going to share with you an easy way to memorize the Spanish alphabet and go over some of the trickiest letters for beginners. So stay tuned, and before you go, make sure to click the link in the description box below to check out one of our free online Spanish classes.
So today we're going to go ahead and go over the Spanish alphabet, all right? We're going to have A, B, 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 A, B. Now we're going to do C, C. The letter C in Spanish, which is the letter C in English, is really interesting because it has the ability to sound like two different things. It can either sound like a K, which or a S, or in Spain, a TH sound. Moving on here, we have A, B, C. Now we're moving to D, D. A, B, C, D. E, E. A, B, C, D, E. F, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. G, G. Now this is another interesting letter. The letter G in Spanish is G, but if we put the letters U and O behind G, we get gu or go, and if we have G-A, it's ga, like gato. But if we have the letter G-I or G-E, the G in Spanish is now pronounced So far we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now we're moving to H. H makes no sound. It is a silent letter, H. So whenever you see an H in Spanish, just know that it's silent, like hotel. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Next, we're moving to E. E. Now in Spanish, I sounds like E, and the letter E sounds like E. So far, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E. J. J. The Spanish letter for J is J, and J gets pronounced a little bit different in the sense that it gets a little bit of a phlegm to it. Somewhat like the sound in words that have H's in English. They have a little bit of a guttural sound, which is in the back of the throat. So far, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Next, we're moving to K. K, like karate or kimono. K is not a sound you hear very often in Spanish. In fact, it's borrowed from a lot of foreign languages. So far, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Next, we're going to move on to L. L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. L. Next, we're going to move to M. 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 So far, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Next is N. N. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. And next we have O. O. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Next we have P. P. P, P, P. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Next we have Q. Q. And that's the letter Q in Spanish. Q. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. And the next letter is R. R. Now, be careful. I'm not saying R, which is the double R, which we'll go over at the end with all the special letters, but I'm saying R, which is just a flip of my tongue. When it's in the beginning of the word, it's R as in rápido or rincón. When it's in the middle of the word, it's pronounced a little bit softer, like Barcelona or mariposa. So far we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Next we're going to move on to S. 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 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Next we're going to move on to T, which is the Spanish letter for T. T. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Next we're going to move on to U. U. It is the next vowel in our alphabet, and it is the last vowel in our alphabet. U. U. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. And the next letter is V. V. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Now we're going to move to the next letter, W, or W, depending on where you're from. That's one of those foreign letters to Spanish. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. La próxima letra, the next letter, is X, or X. X. And when you pronounce the letter X in a word, sometimes it sounds like H, and other times it sounds like H. México, Oaxaca, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. The next letter is Y. Y. It's pronounced y, y. Y. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Y la última letra, the last letter, is Z. When pronouncing this letter, Z, in Spanish, we use the letter S to pronounce it, like izquierda. So Z would be S, S. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, y Z. Now we're going to move on to the special letters in Spanish. The first of those is a compound, which is C and H together, which makes the sound ch, 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 ch. Machaca, which is my favorite type of food. Machaca. Next are the letters double L, which are pronounced ege, ege, which comes up in the words like lluvia or me llamo. And it's pronounced with a y sound, y, much like our letter Y. The next special letter is ñ, ñ. And for beginners, this can be kind of a tough letter. The best way to form an ñ is to think about an N and a G together, ñ, ñ, ñ. In the back of the throat, they form and kind of pushing out with an E as well. So ñ, ñ. Like cumpleaños or año. Our last special character is the double R. Double R's are strong wherever they are. They don't need to be in the front, and they certainly don't need to be at the end. Double R's have a rolling of the R, which is like this. Rrr, rrr, like carro or perro. And that is all our special letters. Again, those letters are ch, ch, y, y, ñe, ñe, rrr, rrr.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment and let us know if there are any specific Spanish letters that you need help learning. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with more helpful tutorials just like this one.